Let's see how to create these amazing effects in Photoshop. We will make these effects in 4 simple steps. The first step, separate the subject from the background with the use of the selection method. Select the Quick Selection tool. Select the subject as shown in the video. Use Alt plus left click to remove the extra part from the selection. Click on Select and Mask, so that we can make a better selection of our subject from the background. From the View menu, choose an overlay. Increase the radius as per your requirement. Make sure the Smart Radius is checked. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool. Now, start painting on the edges of the subject to make the selection better. Move your brush to all over the edges to get better selection. You can also remove extra part from the subject. From Output to select a new layer and hit OK. OK, once you separate the subject from the background, we can now go to step 2, which is create effects by using the brush tool. Create a new layer between these two background layers. Rename it as Mixer Brush. Go to the Brush tool. Select the Mixer Brush tool. Click on Brush Settings. Make hardness to 100% and spacing 1%. After that, select Dry Heavy Load from the drop-down menu. Set smoothing as per your requirement. Now select the background copy layer. Hold Alt plus left click to take a sample from the subject. After that, select the Mixer Brush layer. Press Ctrl or Command plus minus to zoom out. Now, start painting with the use of a brush. You can make any design you want just by painting. You can also use another sample for a new design. After using the brush tool, we can now go to step 3, which is create effects by using a pen tool. Create a new layer. Rename it as a path. Select the pen tool. From the Property panel, choose the path. Now make a path to make any design you want. You can adjust it with the use of a direct selection tool. With the use of this method, you can change your path and shape anytime you want. Right-click and select the stroke path. Choose the Mixer Brush tool. After creating effects, we can now go to step 4, which is apply a shadow to the effects. Create a new layer. Rename it as Shadow. Select the Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Make hardness to 0%. Change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Reduce the opacity to 50%. Hold Alt plus left click to clipping mask into Mixer Brush layer. Apply the shadow to effects so that it looks more realistic. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box. If you're learning something new, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. Thanks for watching.